Yo, Wincrease, what's going on? It is the end of the year. 2020 is coming to a close. Market is closed. And we had a very successful 2020. So congratulations to everybody on the team. It's been a wonderful year. So let's hop straight into it. The market closed today at 37.5607. Last week we were looking at this and I was looking to see the market approach 3,800 and we got pretty close again and we closed near the highs once again. So I'm looking for the start of the year to do a continuation. Makes perfect sense. Whenever you close near the highs, chances are it will continue to move higher. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out the Russell IWM. So let's check that out. IWM. And we have the same thing. Last week we were looking at this going towards 200. We had a high of 201.18. The market started to back down a little bit. So I'm actually looking to be a little bit cautious as far as this one is concerned, because I want to see this continue to move up from the 20-day moving average. That's going to be the full-fledged test to see if the market wants to continue to push. And I think it will. We have no reason for it not to. And we got everybody with stimulus checks coming. We got a new president. There's a lot of good things moving in motion. So market's going to continue is what I see. So that's it for this week. Happy New Year's Eve to everybody. Everyone have a safe New Year's. And we'll catch it with you next year. I have my podcast finally out. So make sure you go and check that out anywhere. That's going to be on Pandora. That's going to be on Spotify, Apple, everywhere you can get your podcasts. You can also check it out on the website, wincrease.com, where I do this exactly 1 month. I said that wrong. I do that every single month. So check us out every single month. And make sure you follow me on any social media. That's Twitter. That's StockTwits, YouTube, all of that. That's at Wincrease Team. All right, so y'all have an enjoyable weekend, and we'll catch you later, all right? Peace.